Okay, so winter weather's wreaking havoc across the great state of California. This morning we're waking up to mudslides. We've got snow in the Sierra, rain here in the valley. That means slick roads and dangerous conditions, and that could mean an accident for you. So if you find yourself in a very unfortunate situation, we want to make sure you're prepared. That's why we have with us this morning, we have Charles Caraway from Caraway Injury Lawyers. And Charles, I want you to answer this specific question for me. So let's say I'm out driving this afternoon. I hit slick roads, I start to slide, but then somebody else hits me as a result of me sliding. Who is at fault?
Okay, that's a very complex question, but I have an answer for you. So whenever the conditions call for it, when you have bad weather, rain, snow, if you're going up to the mountain, something like that, you need to drive for the conditions. So it's not the speed limit anymore at that point. You have to slow down, you have to be careful. Now, if you are driving and you start to slide, chances are they're going to say that you weren't driving appropriately for those conditions, and so you're going to be at fault for something that happens. Now, if you're able to stop in time and you don't have any collision with anything at that point, and another vehicle then rear ends you because they're not driving appropriately for the conditions, then the insurance companies are probably going to say that the person that hit you is at fault. However, that's not absolute. Another thing that can happen, and what more likely may happen, is that the insurance companies have what's called an internal arbitration process, where they'll get together and they'll discuss the facts, and what they'll do is they'll assess liability, who's at fault, to each of the drivers. And so they might say, you are 40% at fault, we're 60% at fault. And then based off of that, they'll make you pay a certain portion of your deductible or something like that.
All right, so it can get rather complicated.
Yes.
Okay, so bottom line, make sure you're driving safely for the conditions, but also make sure that you have a great resource to go to. Where can people find you?
They can call my office, 916-655-5555, or they can go to our website, carawayinjuryattorneys.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.